Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can already tell what we'll be discussing today. We're going to be talking about everything Vechain. You guys already know what time it is, so let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Vechain right now on Saturday, February 11th, 2023, we are currently sitting at 0.024 cents. We're up about 0.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at the market cap, currently sitting at $1.73 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 57.6 million. So right off the bat, one thing that I want to point out for you guys right now is that the overall buying pressure in terms of the volume has decreased compared to the previous days, but that should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because we know that the overall market did take a little bit of a cool off over the past 3 to 4 days. So that is why this is happening across the board. But before we jump into the charts, guys, I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys that Vechain posted on their Twitter just 8 hours ago. They state, "We don't fake TX numbers like some blockchains. Each transaction represents honest economic activity powered by Vechain. With our first 2023 million plus transaction, day driven by the Fortune 500 #1, we're excited to keep expanding Vechain tech adoption this year and beyond." And you guys can see this for yourself. They posted this and it kind of states the overall transaction. They have crossed 1 million already. Since 2023, that's what it states. With our first 2023 million plus transaction, that's what it states. So why am I sharing this with you guys? Now you may be saying, am I sharing this with you guys? Obviously, the price has not been showing us a lot of parabolic moves, and that is no secret at this point, especially for the Vechain community. But I keep saying one specific thing, and that is patience is needed when it comes to Vechain. It's not going to be one of the top projects that's going to perform right off the bat. But as the bull market returns, I really do believe that Vechain is about to make some massive strides within the space. We know what happened last time. Last time, the previous bull cycle, same exact thing happened. We had the longest consolidation phase for the price of Vechain, and then when it finally popped off and the market really started to heat up. And one thing I wanted to share with you guys is we here, and remember, we're seeing so much new money coming into the space right now, and we're so early in this bull market. So obviously not a lot of viewers have been following my videos a lot. So this is why I like saying this on every single video. Even though we have seen a full bear market, we never saw the price of Vechain go below top 50 market cap, meaning in the overall market valuation, Vechain held itself in the top 40 no matter what. So what is this showing us? What does this automatically show us? It automatically shows us the strength the holders have. Because if the holders had no strength, this would dump really, really fast, and we would be in the top 200 or top 300. And we've seen a lot of projects that have done this in the previous bull cycle. I'm sorry, the previous bear market that we were just coming out of. We've seen a lot of top 100 projects that have left the top 100 spot because the overall sentiment and the strength of the holders is just not there. For Vechain to hold its strength around this range gets me even more bullish as we go into this next bull cycle. And you guys already know my price prediction. Before we jump into the charts, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is obviously not financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. But if we're looking at the price of Vechain, comparing it to the previous update that I made about 2 days back, because you guys know our schedule for Vechain is every other day. And since then, we are still in this upwards trend. What I basically mean right now is I said there is a chance that we could possibly see this upwards trend get invalidated, and in order for us to get invalidated is by setting a as you guys can see, we've been setting higher highs and higher lows. So if we went below 2.2 cents, this entire upwards channel that we're forming gets invalidated. Right now, specifically speaking, we have been still holding very strongly in this upwards channel. You can see higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. You guys get the picture, and look at this. Higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So right off the bat, compared to 2 days back, the upwards channel is still in play. So that is definitely a nice thing to point out right now in terms of Vechain's price movement. And like I said, guys, things are looking really, really nice for Vechain. Obviously, a lot of people are going to want parabolic moves overnight. That's obviously not going to happen. But as we approach this level of resistance coming up at that 2.85 cents, once we clear this, you guys already know the target that we're screaming at, which is at that 3.4 cents mark. Once we get there, guys, things are going to move very quickly. Me initially, what my personal thought is that, we might get there, see a little bit of a rejection, bounce back and forth, see another, try to retest it again, rejection, and finally pop out of there, and that's where the fireworks are going to begin. But obviously, as I say that, Bitcoin needs to be above $22,000. We are forming a green candle, so hopefully before the day comes to an end, we are above $22,000 mark. That would be very nice to see, and that would be something very, very good to see in my personal opinion. As you guys know, I know Michael, you're watching this. I know Patrick, you guys are watching. These are day one supporters, like family to me. And you guys know I say all the time that $22,000 is the most important level in terms of the price of Bitcoin. And right now we're sitting below it, so we're bearish. But if we go above $22,000 again, I automatically turn bullish once again. That's how important that level really is. If I really want to show you guys why I say that, look how many times. This is not the first time we saw the price of Bitcoin go above this level of resistance. We've seen it so many times. You guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time. This is our 6th breakout towards the upside out of that level of resistance. So that really goes to show why this is so important. But Vechain, man, as far as Vechain is concerned, long-term perspective, you guys already know my stance. If Bitcoin goes according to a lot of analyst price prediction, $120,000 Bitcoin next bull cycle, that would easily, in my personal opinion, put Vechain around $1 mark. But as I say that, have an exit strategy in place. And a lot of people want exit strategy, how to make an exit strategy, all that good stuff. So I've made up my mind. I'm working on a membership, and this membership is going to be extremely affordable to each and every one of you guys. It's not going to be like any of these other content creators charging insane amounts. This is going to be affordable membership thing that I'm about to launch. I'm working on it behind the scenes. Once that's live, you guys are going to, I need each and every one of you guys, if you can come join this membership. We're going to talk a lot, behind the scenes. Obviously I make these updates, but you guys can't communicate with me, so we can talk. I can share some tips how to lock in profits, and also some altcoins that I'm looking at. Obviously nothing financial advice, but it's just like a community where we can come together and kind of have our own type of community going on the side. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. Let me know in the comment section below, stating if you guys are interested in that. But that is it for today's topic. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.